Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's video, it is all about simplifying your invoicing game using PayPal in 2024. From creating invoices to tracking payments, PayPal has you covered. It will guide you in this tutorial on how you can do the process of sharing and do all the kind of things that you have to do in your invoice in PayPal. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, the first thing that I will need you to do is to obviously open your PayPal account. Right after you do so, go ahead and go to send, which is right here. And after you do that, simply click here on send an invoice. And after you click on it, simply this is the page where you can create your invoices. So here we have the template, so we can choose the quantity, hours, amount only, and the currency. Here we have the invoice name. We can click here to save it as draft, save it as template, or sync link to invoice. Here we have some other details that we have to go through. So the first thing when we are creating an invoice is, of course, to put to whom are we going to send it. So simply here you should add the name of the person that you are going to send it to. For example, I'm going to write here, for example, Messi, Cristiano, or something like that, and add as a customer. So here it is. I'm gonna just keep it like that for now. Here, the second thing, which is the most important part, is to add an item. Adding an item is pretty simple. Simply by adding a new item like that, you can click here and add an item name. So I'm gonna name it, for example, chocolate bars, and the price is gonna be around $20. And the tax, I'm going to add, for example, tax, which will be named for me here, for example, government tax. The ratio will be 20%. And tax description, tax on revenue. Save item, and as you can see here, we can choose it, and right here it will be added automatically. The rest is to simply add the quantity that we want to add to this item. So for example, this customer has bought around 30 bars of this chocolate. So here it is, 30 bars, which comes to a total of $720. Here we can add new items, and also we can add here some description. We have sent an additional 10 packages as a thank you gift. So this is like a description that we have added here, and we can add here every service, everything we have down to this package. For example, the chocolate bars, we have give them 30. We have give them, for example, strawberry bars, chocolate bars, like we have milk chocolate bar. I don't know, you can just simply add enough items that you will be normally sending to your customer. After you do so, the next thing is to add a message to your customer. For example, here I'm going to tell him these chocolate bars has to be treated very carefully. So here we can add some kind of conditions. For example, keep it. So I'm gonna here keep it in a freezer between like 10 to, I don't know, 5 degrees. This is just for me, but you know guys, you are professional in your domain, you know what you are doing. So here the message has to be correctly made for your customer. I'm just here writing whatever in this note just to teach you guys what you have to add. So do not open the package right after you take it from the freezer, and keep it separated, keep them separated, or something like that. So these are the messages to customer that I want him to know. And if there is any more options that I would like to add, for example, an attachment, JPG, GIF, PNG, PDF files that can be up to 4 megabytes per file, I can add it here. Or memo to self, you can simply add it right here. You can close that, and simply now all you need to do is to modify these things. Also here, for example, you should adjust this invoice number, for example, depending on the numbers that you are currently using in your company. Let's say that this is not your first invoice, so you have to like adjust the invoices to be specified with your company numbers, so they can be trackable within your documents. So here, let's say that's this is your invoice number, like 305. We have to change it right here. Invoice dates today, due date we have to put on a specific date, which is gonna be, for example, here, I don't know, let's choose after 60 days for me. So from here to after 60 days from now, it will be simply the due date of this invoice where they have to pay us. And here the subtotal, if there is other discount they would like to add, for example, they have bought instead of 30 quantity, they have bought 300 quantity, we can add a discount which is about, let's say, 8%. So we can add here 8% discount, that is gonna be around minus $480, which is pretty much a very big discount for me. But yeah, this is very big quantity. Also, let's keep it at 3k, because yeah, 3k seems legit. Seems to make sense. So here we have like 3k quantity, and we are going to receive 66,240 dollars with taxes. The taxes, which is 20%, is gonna be around 11k, which is very big amount of money. But yeah, this is taxes, guys, so it is what it is. If there is any shipping cost that they will have to pay, also you should add it right here. So let's say around $200, which is not gonna be added as like payments. If, for example, let's say that your customer is paying around 60,000, 100k, then come on, don't add the shipping cost to it here. Just include it within the payments, or hide it somewhere, or just don't even give it to him, because the guy is already gonna pay a lot of money and you're gonna start a business. So giving him some discount and actually making him not pay the shipping is gonna give you with each other a big confidence, and make him maybe ask for another like offer or order from you. So yeah, guys, that was basically it. Now all you need to do is to click on send, and the invoice will be sent to your customer. So that was it. So that was it for today's video, guys. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.